Welcome back to my channel. So, ayan guys. May nagbigay sa akin ng gift sa aming dalawa ng asawa ko. Ito at saka ito. Iisang tao lang siya guys. Galing kay Sumi, one of my colleagues sa Zara. She's from Nepal. So, mabait siyang bata. Siya lang ang lahat ng Nepal na nakatrabaho ko sa Zara shop. Siya lang ang ka-close ko. Parang kapatid ko na rin siya. So, kanina, tinawag niya ako ate. Tawag niya sa akin ate. Kasi mas older than ako sa kanya. So, tinawag niya akong ate. So, ito yung, sabi niya, may ibibigay ako sa inyo ni Kuya Libby. So, ang tawag din niya kay Libby, Kuya. So, ayan guys. So, mag-unboxing tayo guys kung anong laman ito. So, may message siya dito guys. Ayan o. Itatago ko siya guys. Sabi niya, Merry Christmas, my dearest ate. In this season of giving me you receive the abundance of love and joy that you shared throughout the year. May the peace and blessings of Christmas be yours. Lots of love, ate. Diba guys, ganda ng ano niya. Yan guys. So, i-unbox natin guys kung anong laman. So, anong unahin natin guys? This one or this big one? So, the big one first. So, ayan. Woo! It's a, wow! Baby. Look.
This same dog have before. The Paris.
The Paris. So, I have guys. Yan guys. Thank you, Sumi. Wow. Yan guys. So, yung pangalawa naman guys is i-open natin to. Mag-unbox. Wow! Mr. and Mrs. Always right. Mr. Right and Mrs. Always right. Honey, it's a coffee mug.
Huh?
Coffee mug.
Oh.
For you and for me. Mr. Right and Mrs. Always right. Thank you, Sumi. Wow. Mr. Right and Mrs. Right. Mrs. Always right. Thank you, Sumi. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is the 1, 2 for my husband and mine. And another one is this. Oh, very nice. Thank you for watching. And was light canvas. I think have this needs battery. Needs battery, guys. Oh. So I need to put batteries here. Honey needs battery.
Yes. Okay. Go.
guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching.